What if I told you that Python variables are not what you think they are? They don't actually store data, and understanding this one concept will prevent 90% of beginners' mistakes. Welcome back to Aditya Parmar Analytics. I am Aditya. In our last video, we mastered print edge statements and comments. Today, we are diving into Python variables, the foundation of all programming. But here is the thing, most tutorials teach variable wrong, leading to confusion and bugs. In this video, you will learn what variables really are, not what you think, variable naming rules, and best practices, common mistake that crash your code, advanced variable techniques. And I am coding everything live. We code, let's me blow your mind. Variable in Python don't store data. They are just label pointing to object in memories. Think of like this. You have a box containing the number 42. The variable as is a sticky note on that box. The box exists independently. The sticky note just help you to find it. Let's see this in action. I'll create a variable whose name is age and I'll give a value 90. Let's print it. Print age. Here is the value. Here's what really happens. Python creates an object containing 25. Python attaches the label age to the object. When we print age, Python follows the label to find 25. Let's create something else, something more solid. A equal to, let's see, 58 and B equal to also 58. Let's print both. Print ID A. Let's print it. Same address. They point to the same object. This is why understanding variable correctly prevents so many bugs later. Now let's talk about naming variables properly. Python has a strict rule and best practices you need to know. A variable name should never start with a number or a specific symbol. Make sure to not use a space while creating a variable. One can use underscore to separate the name while writing variable. Let's code it in VS Code. What if I make a variable by using a specific symbol? Now you can see here showing a error. Wait. After removing it, here not showing any type of error. For giving a space in variable, we can just use underscore. What if I create a variable with a number in the first? Here you can see, you're also getting an error. For your information, Python is case sensitive language. Therefore, the variables name are case sensitive as well. Let's see it like here. I'll print name equal to Aditya. And if I make a single change while writing variable name, you can see the result can be changed. Let's talk about some common mistake that can crash your code. First one, don't print any undefined variable. Your variable name should tell a story. Anyone reading your code should understand what the variable contains without looking at the value. In the next video, we are diving into the Python data type.